Welcome to the AeroVironment Unmanned Ground Vehicles press briefing. Today you'll learn how AeroVironment's acquisition of Telerob GmbH combines leaders in unmanned aircraft systems, tactical missile systems, and unmanned ground vehicles to deliver a broader range of integrated mission solutions in air, near space, ground, and maritime domains. A Q&A session will follow today's presentation. To submit questions, please enter them into the comments box located to the right of your viewing screen. Now, please join me in welcoming AeroVironment's President and Chief Executive Officer, WAHID NAWABI.
Good day, everyone. It's great to be with you. AeroVironment remains the leader in delivering game-changing unmanned capabilities to our defense, government, and commercial customers around the world. We are the global leader in small and medium unmanned aircraft solutions, tactical missile solutions, and high-altitude pseudo-satellites with decades of demonstrated experience delivering innovative solutions. AeroVironment has an unmatched track record of developing and fielding tens of thousands of tactical unmanned aircraft systems and tactical missile systems to the U.S. Department of Defense and more than 50 allied nations in all types of geographies, environmental conditions, and operations. And over our 50-year history, we have pioneered breakthrough innovations in aerospace, ranging from human-powered airplanes and solar-powered drones to the nano hummingbird and the Ingenuity Mars helicopter. As we start the next chapter in our company's history of innovation, I am excited to announce the completion of AeroVironment's acquisition of Telerob, a leader in unmanned ground vehicles. Telerob will now operate as a wholly owned subsidiary as Telerob, an AeroVironment company. We welcome the talented Telerob team to AeroVironment. With decades of experience and a broad portfolio of advanced UGVs, Telerob's culture of innovation and agility align extremely well with our own culture. With the acquisition of Telerob, we're expanding our portfolio to increase the breadth of customer missions we can address. For defense customers, this means providing them the tools to succeed in full-spectrum operations on the ground, in the air, and on the sea. Non-defense customers, such as commercial, public safety, and law enforcement agencies, will also benefit from our ground and air solutions. Ultimately, we envision the future integration of our UAS, TMS, HAPS, and new UGV capabilities seamlessly working together to solve our customers' mission-critical objectives so that they can respond to these hazardous and evolving threat environments reliably, rapidly, and cost-effectively. To give you an idea of how our integrated solutions would perform a mission, I would like to describe one potential scenario that our defense customers could experience. Let's start with a route reconnaissance mission from a forward operating base, or FOB. FOBs can be located far from primary bases, are often surrounded by local populations, and can be subject to frequent enemy operations. Before the recon team even sets foot outside the base, an operator launches AeroVironment's Quantix Recon Hybrid VTOL to scout the route automatically. Quantix Recon can fly at 40 miles per hour, covering a large area quickly, and in radio frequency silent mode, it's unaffected by RF scanners and jammers. When the Quantix Recon lands back at the base, the operator examines its high-resolution imagery and locates an IED along the convoy route. Based on this intel, the company commander orders the recon team to begin their mission along with an EOD unit, outfitted with the Telemax Evo Plus. The UAS operator launches the AeroVironment Puma LE to provide overwatch for the mission. With 6.5 hours of endurance and a range of up to 60 kilometers, Puma LE provides real-time ISR and creates a communication relay node back to the Tactical Operations Center for real-time situational awareness. As the recon team convoy arrives at the suspected IED location, they deploy the Telemax Evo Plus to perform a close-up examination. Once they understand the nature of the IED, the Evo Plus safely disables it using an explosive charge. Throughout the mission, the Puma LE continues to loiter overhead, providing situational awareness. its cameras suddenly capture a hostile threat nearby. Encrypted video from both the Telemax Evo Plus and Puma LE streams to the TOC and the recon team through the secure mesh network created by the Puma LE. Based on the Puma LE's high-quality video, the TOC commander positively identifies the threat and authorizes the recon team to neutralize it with AeroVironment's Switchblade 300 loitering missile. Using integrated machine-to-machine connectivity from the Puma LE, the recon team launches Switchblade 300 and neutralizes the threat without collateral damage. The IED is removed, the hostiles are neutralized, and the convoy safely continues its recon mission. This is just one of many examples of how our robotic systems will work together to help our customers complete their missions more safely, quickly, and reliably. These missions are not limited to those our defense customers face. Our multi-domain robotic systems can also support public safety and commercial customers operating in dynamic environments. And we're boosting the intelligence of our solutions by investing in key technologies such as computer vision, AI, and machine learning to make all of our solutions even more autonomous and capable. As you can see, we're building a unique, exciting portfolio that has the potential to deliver game-changing capabilities for customers around the world. And Telerob plays a big role in making that happen. For those new to Telerob, it's now my pleasure to introduce Thomas Biene, Telerob's Managing Director, direct from Germany, to discuss the team's history. Hello, Thomas.
Thank you, WAHID. Telerob is a German-based leading supplier of EOD, HAZMAT, and Chem Bio ground robots, serving defense, civil law, and public safety customers in over 45 nations. Based near Stuttgart, Germany, with over 80 employees, our UGVs combine state-of-the-art technology with proven performance. Although officially founded only in 1994, Telerob roots reach back into the 1970s in the field of nuclear applications with a special focus on remote-controlled manipulators for research centers and nuclear power plants. The expertise to meet the extremely demanding requirements of this industry on technology, precision and durability run in our blood since then, coupled with the desire to replace human beings by machines in as many life-threatening situations as possible, which became our core motto and motivation over the years. Realizing these claims in mobile robotic solutions, UGV for military and first responders to primarily counter explosive ordnance and IEDs has only been a first step over the years. Nowadays, threat scenarios call for much more complex responses, gathering information from various sensors, processing them, and ultimately providing the tools to neutralize resulting risks in a reliable and safe technology ecosystem makes the difference. Multi-domain networks of various unmanned vehicles and sensors allow for extended applications and much higher utility in broader markets, further on our way to reduce human exposure to dangerous situations and counter them increasingly from a safe distance. So I'm very excited to now join forces and strengths to even better serve a common customer base. Through our combined business development and engineering teams in the US and internationally, we look forward to both maximizing cross-sell and upsell business opportunities, but also to collaborate on a product development roadmap that will integrate AeroVironment's UAS technologies and capabilities with Telerob UGVs to deliver new solutions to our customers. We can't wait to explore all the new strategic possibilities, products, services, and advanced solutions this acquisition stands for, and that will address existing and future customer needs. With that, I'd like to introduce Adam JAROH to provide more insight into the Telerob product line and share a demonstration of the Telemax Plus we recently filmed.
I'm Adam JAROH, the Product Line General Manager for Telerob, and today we'll be discussing the Telerob ground robotic product line. Initially developing Theodore, the largest and heaviest lifting platform of the Telerob product line, Theodore has been deployed around the world for years, providing critical standoff distance to EOD, chemical and biological, and tactical teams throughout the first responder and military communities. Purpose-built for the most demanding of missions, Theodore features a 6 degree of freedom manipulator, a 12-inch gripper, and a 287-pound lift capacity. This is put onto a stable 2-track drive system that allows it to excel in all environments. Over the years, working closely with our customers, we've continued to advance the technologies featured in the Theodore robot. This includes advanced camera systems, laser rangefinder in the gripper, advanced radio systems to provide a better communication network for the first responders. Since the original launch of Theodore, we've continued to expand our product line with the Telemax family of robots. This ruggedized series of platforms includes 5 UGVs that provide a common architecture and platform design while allowing customers to have scalable size for payload capacity, lift capacity, and accessories and tools to complete their mission set. Starting with the quick and nimble 4-wheeled drive systems of the Telemax Recce and Evo 4x4, they provide a multi-mission capability and a fast response platform that is lightweight and can be easily put in the back of a pickup truck. The Telemax Evo Pro, Evo Hybrid, and Evo Plus feature a 4-track drive system, a 6 or 7 degree of freedom manipulator, interchangeable tooling capabilities, and autonomous payload packages. These allow the operator to choose the correct size platform for the mission at hand. Each of these complete turnkey solutions provides best-in-class performance, the latest Telerob advanced technologies, and have been designed from the ground up in order to provide maximum reliability for executing dangerous tasks at a safe distance. All of the Telemax and Theodore robots operate off of our RoboCommand common architecture controller. This provides a multi-touch, intuitive touchscreen control with ergonomically designed joysticks and features the ability to create a secure wide area network communication system through our IP mesh radios. At Telerob, we've taken turnkey solutions to the next level. In addition to UGVs, Telerob designs and outfits custom command and control and reconnaissance vehicles ranging from rapid response, reconnaissance vehicles, all the way up to fully armored command vehicles. Our efficient layout and design allows easy access to the tools and equipment needed for the operator to focus on their job. To provide even more insight, I'd like to share with you a demonstration of the Telemax Evo Plus and its capabilities. The Telemax Evo Plus is the largest and most powerful UGV in the Telemax product line. Weighing in at under 300 pounds, an economical footprint, and up to 15 hours of runtime, the Telemax Evo Plus is multi-mission capable, providing a range of operational needs for EOD, CBRN, and tactical, from vehicle and package inspection to environmental mapping. Getting to those mission-critical areas of operation, the Evo Plus's versatile 4-track drive system with articulating tracks allows it to navigate virtually any terrain, easily climbing stairs and traversing gaps up to 16 inches. All tracks can be controlled together, as pairs, or individually, allowing the operator full control of the orientation of the robot to help in navigating uneven terrain. Heavy lift capable and outfitted with an 8-inch gripper, with a lift capacity up to 176 pounds and a reach of 60 inches, the Telemax Evo Plus's manipulator is capable of reaching over, under, and into complex environments. Key to the Evo Plus is its 6 degree of freedom manipulator featuring tool center point control. This offers maximum flexibility and freedom of the manipulator to complete tasks such as a 360-degree inspection of an object without moving the UGV. Tool center point control allows for complex manipulation through simplified user inputs. This is a software-based system that coordinates the movement of all rotational joints of the manipulator, allowing the operator to simply focus on a target, choose their direction and speed, and move directly into that target like a human arm would. For the past 25 years, we've continued to work with customers, bomb techs, and operators around the world with a focus on delivering a superior user experience, performance, and safety through innovation. The Telemax Evo Plus is a prime example of that collaborative work. Every Telemax UGV features 32 pre-programmed modes for both the manipulator and the track systems. These easily executed modes help to provide the operator with consistency in their execution, reducing the cognitive load on the operator and increasing mission success. A great example of this is our proprietary automatic onboard tool exchange. Like all other Telemax UGVs, the Evo Plus is equipped with 2 modular tool reservoirs on the side of the platform, allowing us to store things like inspection cameras, window breakers, disruptors, chemical and biological sensors, and powered cutters. The operator simply selects that they'd like to pick up one of these tools. The robot takes over, picks up the tool, utilizes it in the gripper, and then when the operator is done with the equipment, they simply tell it to return back to the tool magazine. This allows the operator to change their concept downrange and which tools that they would need, reducing the overall time of back and forth for the load out of the mission. I hope that gives you a good introduction to the Telerob product line of advanced ground robotics, support vehicles, and a worldwide service network.
Hi, I'm Trent Hutchison, Business Development Director for AeroVironment's Telerob UGV product line. And with me here today is Detective Jay Yellick, a bomb technician working in the greater Los Angeles area. Thank you for coming out with us today, Jay. How long have you been with your department?
I've been with the department about 30 years now, and with the bomb squad specifically for the last 8.
Excellent. So your department is one of the largest and busiest in the country. First off, can you give us a ballpark figure in terms of how many call-outs that your department typically handles during a month?
On an average, my unit handles about 30 to 40 calls a month.
Excellent. Can you talk to us about some of the calls that you do handle with UGVs currently?
Our call response is pretty varied, from suspicious packages to unknown items, including hoax devices, of course, and illegally manufactured explosives and homemade laboratories, military ordinance response, suspected vehicle-borne IEDs or just suspicious vehicles and suspicious packages within vehicles, as well as in support of tactical operations for our SWAT team and hazardous environments.
Excellent. So you are using the UGV for other applications other than just EOD?
Absolutely. Oftentimes in a tactical situation with the SWAT team, we will provide a static observation point using the robot's cameras, a wide variety of things.
So Jay, can you describe how utilization of UGVs like the Telemax system have helped your department handle hazardous threats and help defeat those?
Certainly. One example that comes to mind of many is there was a suspicious package in front of a Planned Parenthood. And a typical response to that on our end would be that we would have to outfit someone in the bomb suit. We would equip them with an X-ray. We would send them downrange to make physical contact with that package, take an X-ray, develop the X-ray, to even find out then what we're going to do with it after that. With a UGV, we can send a robot down there in a safe manner, and they can exploit the package through the operation of the UGV. Now, specifically with the Telemax, it doesn't have the after-action bounce. The tool center point mode is a fluid, human-like maneuver with the manipulation of the arm, and I was able to seamlessly retrieve a tool, a cutting tool, from the tool bay, open up the box, and then stow the tool, and then have the gripper to exploit the items that were in the box and render the area safe and restore normalcy to that area long before we would have even had someone in a suit.
Like the UGV that you guys are currently using right now, can you talk a little bit about the additional payload bays that come onto the Telemax systems for the automatic tool exchange and how that has benefited your department?
Sure. The benefit of the tool exchange allows us to utilize the robot in its full capabilities. We have the fluid movement with the tool center point control with the manipulator arm. We can access a portal point or open up a package or unzip a backpack zipper and then grab a tool off the tool bay, use a tool to further exploit that package or disrupt it, and then we can stow that tool back into its tool bay and then still have full manipulation of the arm.
So what features of the Telemax system prompted your department to select this Telemax product?
Right. My response area for my unit is massive. It ranges from the high desert all the way to the beaches of Southern California and 87 cities in between. And this particular robot obviously can be transported on the ground on truck, but because of its size and portability, it can also be put onto a helicopter, and we can take it to one of the outlying islands that we serve or anywhere in our jurisdiction much more rapidly should we need to. Once on scene, then we have that full suite of tools that we can use that are mountable onto the chassis itself, that are deployable downrange, and it's the tool center point control that gives us that fluid movement, that positive control over the arm, and a known result for certainty.
Well, thank you, Jay. I really appreciate you coming out. and we appreciate your service, and thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you, Trent and Jay, for taking us through some of the real-world scenarios in which UGVs are making a difference today. Now you have a better understanding of why we're so excited about this incredible new product line and its contribution to our business and portfolio. With Telerob, we're expanding our markets and our business. More importantly, we're creating new opportunities to help customers succeed through a broad portfolio of intelligent multi-domain robotic systems. Now, let's move to the Q&A portion of today's program so we can answer your questions.